Mara here, i-Pirates ishawe pressing. Normally when they play against small teams, right? They have overpower because they're quality, quality. So they have equality against these small teams, but now they played against another team that has equality. Now look at the pressing. Ithi ngidlale mayiphuma iSundowns ngizoyi-rewinder just to show you ukuthi they don't know how to press. Easily ngiyibuyisele emuva. Easily iphume easily iSundowns. Simple. See, simple. Bait. This is the bait. Now, you look at where Santos is. Uhoto is supposed to push here. He pushes, but he pushes late. Umakaula is supposed to push here. He's confused, Umakaula. Press. Now look at where Utito is. Remember Utito went there. If Umakaula was here, Makaula goes here, Utito goes there. Uhoto goes there. But they are too late. Because of one person angazange press in time. Ball goes there. Nemtenjala is late. Ball watching. Says Pumil. Now we are going to score. But now, this is this guy, Usiema. He did everything right, but you're supposed to have cover. As a center back, if you are playing on the right, your left center back must cover you. Vice versa, you cover him. But here, he was not covered. This was a beautiful pass, Bafethu. Oh, pass of the year. Pass of the year. You can't blame the keeper there. You can't blame the keeper. That was a beautiful pass. But cover, no cover. You must cover me.